أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the another surah which is called Suratul Ma'un Makkiyah. Let us start now. So before starting, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, and similarly for Urdu videos Online Islamic Classes Urdu, so please subscribe both channels for new videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So if you want to get all the notifications, so click on the bell icon. Inshallah you will be able to see all the notifications on these both channels. So now we start our lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم سورة الماعون مكية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين أرى. So here the first read Hamza, then after that Ra read in heavy sound due to Fatha sign on the Ra. I, so make the soft sound here because Ya is lean, Ya is coming with Sukun sign on it, and there is Fatha on the before letter of Ya, so we read in soft sound. Ara'ay, tal ladhi, the zal we read in soft sound again. On the Ya you will make long sound because Ya is madda letter, Ya is coming with Sukun sign on it, and there is Kasra before. We long here ladhi yukadhibu on the zal, make little bit strong voice and also read this letter softly. Yukadhibu biddin. So here is again Yamada, right? So when we stop, we do not read this kasra under the noon. We stop here and we say أَرَأَيْتَ الَّذِي يُكَذِّبُ بِالدِّينِ فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُّ الْيَتِيمَ In Fadhalika there is Zal with the soft sound, and also we long here due to standing Fatha on the Zal. Fadhalikal. Kaf read in light sound. Fadhalikal ladhi. Zi we long due to Ya madda here. Ya is coming with Sukun sign and there is Kasra before. Ladhi yadu'ul. So Ain read from the middle of the throat, and make sure to read the correct sound of Ain here by a little bit strong voice. Yadu'ul. So read the correct makhraj of Ain here. Yadu'ul yatim. So Ti we long due to Ya madda. Ya is coming with Sukun sign, there is Kasra before, and when we stop we say yatim. And now we say فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُّ الْيَتِيمَ وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ And in the La there is Alif Madda. Alif is coming after Fatha sign. We long here 1 second. Wala Yahuddu. Dad we did in heavy sound. وَلَا يَحُضُّ. And make sure to read ha sound correctly. Ala, ain sound correctly read from middle of the throat. Lam we long due to standing fatha on the la. And ya is a silent here. The standing fatha is basically on the lam. Ala, we long here. Twa we read in heavy sound. A we long also due to alif madda is there. Ta'amil, miskin. In the scene we make the whistling sound or hums quality like the continuation of breath. Miskin. On the ya again make the mother letter. On the ya again long here. Keen. So we say وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ فَوَيْلٌ للمصلين On the fawai, here is yalin. Ya is coming with sukun sign and there is fatha on the before letter. Fawai, we read softly. Lul, after the tanween, the next letter is lam, where we make idgham without gunna. Okay, there will be idgham but without gunna. We do not make gunna sound here, only we connect. Fawailul, lul, lil musal. Swad we read in heavy sound and li we long due to ya madda. And we say Fawailul lil musallin. Fawailul lil musallin. الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون Alladhina, so the lam is starting with shad sign on it, so that's why. So we need to connect this lam with someone. There is alif and we put a fatha sign on the alif for connecting. That's why we say alladhi. Zi we long due to ya madda is there. Hum an, there is mim sakin, and after the mim sakin the next letter is ain. We make izhar shafawi, we make the clear sound of mim. Hum an Sala. After the noon sakin, the next letter is swad. So we make the ikhfa sound, and that sound will be like the heavy sound, heavy ikhfa. Okay, the bold. Not light ikhfa, but heavy. If after the noon sakin, if the next letter is coming like bold letter, so that's why we make the ikhfa also in bold sound. Right? Remember it. So we say we are hiding the sound of noon, and also we are making the heavy sound due to heavy ikhfa. Sala, lam we long due to alif madda, tihim, sa. On the mim sakin we make izhar shafawi again. Sa, sin we long due to alif madda. Ha we long due to waw madda. Waw is coming with sukun sign on it, and there is dhamma on the before letter. So we make stop here. Sahun. So we say all together. الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون. الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون. الذين هم يراءون. On the alladhina again, similarly we connect, we put a fatha sign on the alif and then we connect with the lam. Allah. The we long due to ya madda. Hum you. There is mim sakin. Now after the mim sakin, the next letter is ya. We make again izhar shafawi. Yura'un. Ra we read in heavy sound, and also here is alif madda, and on the alif madda you can see the mad sign, big mad sign, because after the madda letter hamza is coming in the same word. Yura'un is complete, is one word. That's why if after the madda letters hamza comes in the same word, at that time there will be madde muttasil. Like muttasil means like both the madda letter and hamza both are joining. We are longing here 3 to 5 seconds. Madde muttasil, that is wajib mad. And we long here due to waw mad. The waw is coming with sukun sign and there is dhamma on the before letter. So we say now all together. الذين هم يراءون. So if there is hamza, so oo sound comes, right? Remember it. وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَاعُونَ. وَيَمْنَعُونَ وَيَم on the mim sakin. After the mim sakin there is noon. We make again izhar shafawi. We long due to waw madda. Nal ma, here is again alif madda. We long here ma. Again waw madda. So we stop here then. وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَاعُونَ. وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَاعُونَ. And now we read again this complete surah. Listen carefully. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أَرَأَيْتَ الَّذِي يُكَذِّبُ بِالدِّينِ فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُّ الْيَتِيمَ وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ. And when we connect here, so we say نَالَّذِينَ. So listen carefully. فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ يُرَاءُونَ وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَاعُونَ. Alhamdulillah, we have completed this surah. If you have any kind of question in this surah, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, we will see in the next class with the new surah. Have a nice time. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.